He has -1 point. Keep working.
Okay.
Don't like it, don't like it.
Why minus for me?
Why not?
I'm working.
Working. Too slow. Work.
Okay.
I'm a new director now, you know? Used us late for 2 hours. -200. New boss, new rules. Don't break anything. Come on. Faster. Told you this month, no bonus. Count the money, keep the electricity at low prices, okay? It's the winter coming.
Hello. So today we're gonna continue work with Porsche. And in the last episode about this car, you see that we removed aluminum trims. Now we painted in black matte. So we're gonna put them on the car. And we decided not to glue it trims on these places because it has rust. Bodywork have to be done. There is no point for us to glue it them and then some people who do bodywork to remove it again.
Hello, good day, sir. How are you doing?
Who is you?
It's new me. I came back. You
Hello.
took me somewhere.
Nice to see you.
I'm gonna inspect everything. No alcohol, no drinking.
Okay.
Just work and
Okay.
work. So, what we gonna do today?
We finished with removing trimming.
So we painted them all black and now we're gonna put them back.
Yes.
Okay. Shadow line, putting back. What else? Oh, bumpers?
Yeah. Bumpers also.
But first, I think we should clean all the leftovers of the glue to start.
Yes.
Clean the roof, clean the car.
Are you gonna be working with wet clothes?
Not really.
Or I have to work?
For a few hours you will work, I will inspect you, and I will maybe join you.
Okay.
Okay? Good. So, let's start to work.
So guys, don't forget to press like, subscribe, or maybe write a comment.
Totilas, do you know why the Cayennes are so popular nowadays?
Please explain me.
I will give you some statements. It has a reasonable price in the range of this kind of CVs. It drives better than other CVs because it has V8, very powerful engine. Also, people like Porsche, you know, all the... Where is it? Do you know this kind of a sign? I also love it and like it. Just look in this car, this height. It's also not finished yet, but it will gonna look good and drive good. So, let's keep working.
Where is Justus?
Where is Justus? He has -1 point, and his salary is now going down. Keep working.
Okay.
Don't like it. Very slow.
Why minus for me?
Why not?
I'm working.
Working. Too slow. I'm not satisfied with you. Work.
Okay.
If you want to get paid, you need to work. You know the Christmas is coming. You want to get a bonus for Christmas? You want to get a
course.
present?
Of course I want.
So work faster.
And where is Justus? I don't like you.
I don't know where he is. He also will get yelled. I am a new director now, you know? He used us late for 2 hours. -200. 200. Is it finished?
Yes.
Okay, good job. Here is for you. Let's check maybe first. Okay, what is this? Give it back. Give it back and go again. No spots. Very bad. If you work faster and cleaner, you know what you could get. But now,
I really don't like the new Rokas. I'm missing Justinas.
you could miss it a lot. He won't come back, I hope. Yeah. New boss, new rules.
Let's check again.
Okay, now it's better. And who you like more now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good man.
Okay. So this side is done. That side, done. Now, next.
Now to the next one.
A few moments later.
Totilas finished cleaning the other side, and now we're back to this side to clean around the windows, to put back the shadow line. But first we need to remove the side mirror to put it back, because we need to put this over here, and this is in the place. When we were removing it, we could pull it out. Now it's not possible, so we need to remove it. So let's start. Don't break anything.
When we put the trims, we just hold it, the mirror, and then put it back because wiring is going down, but we don't want to remove all the inside panels.
Who don't want to remove it? Who tell you that?
I don't want to remove it.
Okay, leave it like that. So we got this trim pieces painted in the black, and it looks pretty nice. And we're gonna show you how we are putting this in a time lapse, because it's gonna take a while. So keep watching. Come on, faster, fast. Told you this month no bonus, no food, no bonus, minus salary, and more work hours. If you keep going like this, you're soon gonna work for us without no salary and paying for us. So don't mess around. Be a good boy. Where have you been, sir?
Thank you, God, you came back.
You are fucking late.
What are you doing?
What? I'm working. You're late. I'm.
Yeah, Rokas told us that he's new boss. What the fuck are you doing here?
What? I came back. I'm a new person. What are you doing here?
Get to the fucking room and dress normally.
No. Don't talk with me like that. Yeah, told you this. I'm the new boss.
No.
So give me back the money which I paid.
No, I don't know nothing.
What you don't know?
I don't have any money.
Minus 200 more. Hey, it was.
You drunk again?
No, I'm not drinking. I'm back from the non-alcohol club. What? What?
Get the fuck
No,
out of here and go to work.
I'm working.
Go to fucking work.
Count the money. Keep the electricity at low prices, okay? It's the winter coming. You know? I will be back.
Finally.
How you felt about it?
Not very good. He's stupid, really stupid.
He really said that he's the boss right now? Yeah.
All the morning.
Okay. We will be back soon. I have to deal with you first.
I'm everything. I could be everything. Janitor, construction worker, car mechanic, everything. Also, I'm the best director. I was. I will come back in that question. I will talk with Justinas and we will see. I stopped drinking, but my thoughts are still about beer, so it's hard, very hard.
How many days?
In the mornings, my hands, are like shaky.
How many days you're not drinking?
3 days.
That's really a lot, Rokas.
It's the start.
Proud of you.
3 days is a lot for me.
And Rokas, I think we have to remove this piece because it's very rusty and looks really ugly.
Yeah. Oh, you naughty boy. Lovely sound. So much and very good memories. So we finished with the bodyworks. Now it's left to clean some spots and prepare for a test ride.
I really want to try it.
I won't tell that what I want to do. It's not legal. Drink and drive will be more fun. But yeah,
But you quit drinking.
what you quit, you can start again. I have a lot of thoughts today about maybe I will hold myself, but I'm not very sure after today. Enough playing, let's go, we are ready.
I'm working.
Go into tests.
Going to test ride?
Ready?
Ready.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yep.
Where is turbo?
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 Where is turbo?
Turbo.
Turbo!
Turbo! Turbo, guys!
Turbo.
We need turbo!
Max power turbo.
It's really important to have turbo.
3 hours later.
Okay, so it's time to sum up what was done with Cayenne. As you can see, the bottoms of the bumper, front bumper and also the back bumper was cut off. So now everything looks more aggressive. You can see that all chrome parts and roof rails was blackened. I don't know, so that's the right word? Darkened, blackened.
Change the color.
We changed the color to the black. So now car looks even more aggressive, but there are a few more things that we are going to do for later stages, because we are trying to build this car in stages. So for the next stage, what we want to do and what we are planning to do is to build the bottom piece of the bumper, tubular one. Also to build the underbody protection, the proper one, because that's why today the shakedown was a little bit easier without going too hard. Otherwise we can hit the gearbox, the transfer box or anything else. So we wanted to stay calm. We just wanted to shake it a little bit, so we will be able to check all the bolts, nuts, and if there is nothing loose, because Rokas was, you know, the CEO. He was not working at some point.
It was a hard week start.
Yeah, because the weekend was even harder for him. So yeah, we shaked everything. Now we will be able to double check. We still have to do one thing. We need to visit body shop and we need to fix the rust all around. After that, we are going to give the car back to the owner. He's gonna have some fun. And during that time, Matas already designing few more pieces. As I mentioned, the bottom piece of the bumper, also the over fenders we are going to build. That's for Totwe to do, but he is already too cold right now to talk. He wants to go home and get some coffee or tea or something with coffee. We're just saying that in front of the camera. Okay, so let's get back to the car. Let's have some more fun and let's go back to workshop. Mother trucker! Motherfucker trucker! And power. We good?
Good.
We're good. Okay, so that's it for today. We need to wash it to get back to the workshop, because otherwise Rokas gonna look the same like the car. So don't forget to press that subscribe button. Yeah.
Like button.
Like
And
button.
ring that bell.
Ring that bell.
Ring that bell.
He loves to ring the bells. Yeah. Press that push notification button and see you next time. Bye.
Such so ein.
What?